If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Alright, what else is there? There's For Youth, and I know that one is like sad. I'm scared. This one's a fun one. Maybe I should have ended it with Run BTS. For every young is another song that will make me cry too. Oh, yeah. Thank you for subscribing, Sammy. Thanks for the Twitch Prime. Yeah, such a anthem, bro. I love that. They give me chills. This makes so much sense. Okay, okay. That is good. I would love to have another RM mixtape or solo. Woo! Oh, I just can't wait for RM's new stuff. Woo! Sweet. Hey. Hey. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. You know what's crazy about Yoongi? I know I'm always talking about Yoongi right now, but I appreciate what he does. It's interesting how his voice is very like low, like not low, like you know when he raps like like that, but he could change it up to making it he could make it sharpen too. When he like, you know, when he raps, it's kind of like when he like raps aggressively, it's like daggers, like boom, 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 like a gunshot. But then she can do this as well, which is kind of crazy. And they show that in the mixtape as well, and it's just nice to see. And J-Hope, Hopey, bet. Whew. Damn, that hits. Stuff. How dare you end it with V? When the instrumental's like fading away. You know what's crazy? You know what was going through my head that whole time, chat? Damn. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I did tear it up at the end. The whole time I was like going through the lyrics and just realizing what they meant. This is is this song towards us as well? Like it's towards the fans, right? Because that's how I felt. Especially like it started not even it clicked in the beginning, but it started hitting me emotionally around here actually. And then it made me realize that why am I crying? It's not like they're gone. It's like they're probably gonna. My guess is that they're gonna join the military, and then we're gonna not see them for like what 2 years or less. But it hit me here, and I started getting a little emotional here, cause I realized it was like, you know, towards the fans, and I'm not looking at. I'm like, shit, that's me. This is a letter. This is a song for me. For us. But like when I looked at the lyrics, I was like, oh shit. It felt personal. Damn. Fuck. Alright, I got okay. Felt personal. That's a good song. That's a good song. If it did this, it did its job. If it's there for oh wow, fuck, shit, like no legit chat. That was a crazy journey already in a span of what 4 minutes? That's a long ass song. That's not bad. 4 minutes. It didn't feel. It felt like it was short too. Because I was just reading, obviously. You know, I had that mishap in the beginning, of course, too, because I didn't know the order. I thought this was meant like this is the whole thing for that one. But my bad. No. I'm sorry for crying though. Around here, like I was saying, and then around after the raps, and I was vibing. It was sad, but I wasn't crying. But it hit right here at the second to last verse or chorus, and then the outro with V ending it, and I was like, damn, this is towards me too. You know, you're me as like content creator for K-pop or just reactor or stuff. Sometimes you don't realize, you know, you just gotta sit back and just listen. And then that at that time, instead of just like, you know, commentating, I just looked at it and I read it. And it just hit me. That's crazy. Life's crazy. Music is crazy, right? Fuck. No, I'm not the only one crying, but I was like, oh my god. Forever Young was in the background. Yeah, in the intro. Bitch, I'm fucked up. Excuse my language. I do apologize. Nah, now it's messy here. Yo, it did it. It's a great song. It's a great song. It made that. Fuck. Yo, Luna Chi, dead ass. Me too. Real talk. That part. Can we listen to that? Can we listen to that? That shit hits me. I don't know what it is. It probably is V's voice where it could be like it's so like raspy and like. It almost feels like V's on the verge of tears when he's saying it. It's like it feels the way he says it. It obviously not just soulful, but it feels cutting. Like it cuts through. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's it. Like yeah, like no, that ass that this song. Oh my god, I should have. It's because the memories came out. Okay, so that hits more different. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna cry again. That part, fuck. Brought tissues. Okay. I know, but I wanted to tell you, that part hits different because there's a memory. It's between me and my best friend Kenny, and I remember we're in I think Montreal. Fuck. Or even in New York when we saw Wings. Oh. We said it to each other. We both said that to each other. Fuck. And it was a nice moment. And that lyric has a lot of meaning to it. Anyways. I need to play something more hype. That was a trip. Fuck. I need to play something more hype. Fuck. Alright. Hype in the chat. That was a lot. That triggered so many memories. And it made me realize that I grew up with BTS. That's crazy. They subscribe. Oh, thank you, Laura Fernandez, for 5 months, including 4-month streak. That shit's fire. No, it's a happy memory. It's just that it's crazy how BTS is that lyric hits hard, and I kind of felt the same way at the end. Okay, wait, not me trying to explain my feelings during getting twerked on. It hits different because in the last part of For Youth, because it has that same feeling, and it triggered a memory. That was nice. It was really nice. It was really nice. Anyways, let's watch Yet to Come. Let's watch the music video actually.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.